Hi everyone, my name is Lee and today we're going to open CoolerMaster's SK630 mechanical keyboard with low profile switches. So here it is, let's get started. The SK630 is CoolerMaster's ultra slim chiclet style keyboard that was released in Q1 of 2019. The package contents are the carrying velvet pouch, the SK630 keyboard, the quick start guide, the USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and the keycap puller. The keyboard top frame is made of aluminum while the bottom is plastic. Keyboard switch type is a linear Cherry MX low profile RGB red. The keys are smooth. Let me just make some comparison for the sound and height of SK360 to Mastrap laser keyboard. As for the height, the SK360 is slimmer than the other. You can refer to the quick start guide for the lighting effects of on-the-fly controls. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.